Hey, check my garden. I have so many vegetables that are all ready for collection. Do you want to help me? Come on, it's gonna be fun. Oh, look at these big, round, orange buddies. This is a pumpkin. I like to call it the Halloween vegetable. Ooh. It's because jack-o'-lanterns are made of pumpkins. You can make a jack-o'-lantern for yourself every Halloween. All you have to do is keep a pumpkin aside, and for next Halloween, you can make your own jack-o'-lantern. This is a radish. It looks all cute and pink. You think it will taste sweet, right? Prepare to be surprised. It is spicy. Yes. When I first tried it, I thought it would be sweet, like berries, because of its size and color. Oh, I think I have something sweet in my garden. The sweet potato. Yes, vegetables can be sweet too. Actually, sweet potato pie is a popular dessert for Christmas and Thanksgiving. Sweet potato pie sounds delicious. What about the brother of the sweet potato? The ordinary potato. Nothing ordinary about this potato. It is the main ingredient of my favorite dish. Fries! Yum! Do you like eating fries? Yes! Do you know what sugar is made of? Come with me and I'll show you. Haha! Beetroot. Yeah, there is a special type of beetroot that is used to make sugar. Whoa! Can you see the green and white flower-like veggies? A veggie is short for vegetable. So, can you see them? The white one is called cauliflower, and the green one is called broccoli. These two boys are not a favorite of kids. Oh, right. I also don't like broccoli or cauliflower. Don't tell my mom. This is corn. It's called maize in most countries. You actually eat it a lot more than you realize, especially at the movies. Don't believe me? Well, then you tell me, what is the most popular movie snack? Popcorn, correct. Popcorn is made from corn. They add caramel, salt, and cheese to make it taste better. What is your favorite popcorn? I love cheese popcorn. We have one last veggie to collect. It has a really strong, spicy scent. It's ginger. I love ginger cookies. It's a real popular treat for Christmas. Plus, you can add ginger and honey to your tea. It's amazing on a cold winter's evening. And it's really great for your health. All right, we are done here. We have pumpkin, radish, sweet potato, beetroot, cauliflower, broccoli, corn, and ginger. These are a lot of vegetables. Oh no! What happened? I need your help again. Please help me to put all the vegetables back into the basket. Let's start. What's this? I call it the Halloween vegetable. Pumpkin, correct. What's this? It's the perfect movie snack. Corn, nice. And this veggie is great with tea and honey and Christmas cookies. Ginger, great. Yay! Kids don't like this veggie. It's green and looks like a flower. Did you say broccoli? Broccoli, you are right. And since you guessed this veggie, this one looks similar, but its color is white. Cauliflower, excellent. What is this? Oh, I remember. I thought it would taste sweet, but it's spicy. Don't fall for its cute size and pink color. Radish, nice. Thanks to this vegetable, I enjoy eating fries almost every day. Shh. Potato. And what is its sweet relative? Sweet potato. Nice. Did I miss something? Ah, yes, right. What is sugar made of? Beetroot. Yes, beetroot. I hope you enjoyed our small bit of gardening today. You helped collect all the veggies, learned their names, and what they're used for. I'm so looking forward to meeting you again soon.